up mga ka-ladies and gentlemen?
Yes po.
May pika-pika ka na dito. Kuhaan ka ba?
Sige, ako makuha. Ako na lang. Para hindi ka na mastorbo. Oh, kita niyo yung pika, guys. So for this event, it's a surprise party. At itong celebrator namin ay celebrating her 60th birthday celebration at hindi niya alam na ako ang host, and it is a surprise of her children na ako magiging host niya kasi daw mostly ako daw talaga yung pinapanood ni mama nila sa Facebook.
Ano sabi mo? Say it again.
You have a very nice voice.
Thank you so much. And your costume is yeah. Farmer and Try to my vlog. Apat sila, guys. From Dubai.
Thank you so much. Budlayan ako magstorya karon.
Smile! Yay! Yeah! Ito yung hindi pa nag-start ang party, pero grabe.
A nephew from Abu Dhabi. Hello everybody. I know you had enough of all these parties, but this is the Filipino way. Yeah. So you experience it, isn't it? Was it fun?
Yeah!
Because she was waiting for the priest to say it, kiss the bride. That was the best moment that she was waiting for, and Father Panagito forgot to do it.
Wala ka, Father! Father boy! Sir.
Tatawagin ko po isa-isa. Ayan. Sa paligid-ligid ay puno ng gulay. Isa kang tunay na magsasaka. Dahil hindi pa nakalubog ang araw, siya ay hubog na. Doon nga, ano ang naisip mo kadalon?
Itong karang natiging bawon ko dahil.
Wait lang. Okay. Grabe sa on. Kung ba't na may 1.5 dyan? Okay. Saan ko tani? Anong bauhon? Saan ko tani bauhon ha?
Buwas banget yan yung pisang tiging karat. Subong di subong mga bawon.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Wait lang. Arede. Andining. Arede si Uncle Joey. Pwede niya siya pa. Araw siya ba? Kung kaya niya magpaogit ba?